Yes, so welcome back to this channel, my trader friends. For this video, I will teach you how to install Python through the Anaconda and of course how to set up the Jupyter notebook, which is the notebook that we will be using for our coding in preparation on our algorithmic trading. So without further ado, let's start this video tutorial. Okay, so first of all, my friends, let's go first to our Google and let's search there Anaconda. Actually, Anaconda, so let's find Anaconda for Python because the results is actually the Anaconda snake. So let's search Anaconda Python. Okay, so actually my friends, Anaconda is a distribution of the Python and R programming languages for scientific computing that aims to simplify package management and deployment. The distribution includes data science packages suitable for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So basically, when we say data science and programming through Python, we really need Anaconda. When we say Anaconda, this is the larger it seems like an environment that all the libraries, all the modules and packages that you will need in your data science project will be on this one-stop shop, kumbaga. No? So that's what Anaconda is, and it is actually best fit for data science, and we are currently exploring the wonderful world of algorithmic trading through Python, of course, and we will be needing this Anaconda. Okay, so just click this website of them, Anaconda, the world's most popular data science platform. And for the downloading, just go on the lower part of the home part of their website. Then get started. Click get started and download Anaconda installers. Click it. Okay, for Anaconda installers, they have three, of course, for the Windows, for the Mac OS, and for the Linux. Now, for all of these three operating system, they have the latest now, the Python 3.8. So they have the 64-bit and 32-bit for both the Windows, Mac OS, and of course the Linux. Just check here, or just click here your operating system and what is the number of bits that your OS is currently working. So in my case, I am 64-bit and Mac OS. I'm using currently a Mac OS, and just click it and it will lead you to a series of window, and just continue the installation program. In my case, since I already have the Anaconda, I don't need to install it. But I don't need to download and install it. But for the sake of this video tutorial, we just use this as the reference. Okay, so just go on this website if you want to have these two. So here they have the installation instruction for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Actually, this is very easy. After clicking on these links, this will be the next window that will pop up on you. Just click next, then just click install. Just follow the flow of the installation, then next again. For Windows, this is the process, then finish. That's all for the installation. Then just search it on your search tab, on your computer search tab, Anaconda. It will now open. For Mac OS, somehow different. Anyway, the process is still almost the same. The different is only the environment, but the process is the same. Just click installation type here, then install. Then install for me only, because for some Mac OS, they are sharing the computer with other users. So for you to have still some privacy, install for me only. Then continue and close. Okay, so that's basically how to install the Windows Mac OS. The installation process is very quick, and it is very straight through process, only single flow only. Anyway, after what we call this, after installation, I have here my Anaconda. I will open it for you. This is how it looks like, guys. On the home tab, this is where all of the packages, libraries, and other parts of the Anaconda can be seen. In our case, guys, we will be using the Jupyter Notebook. The Jupyter Notebook is a web-based interactive computing notebook environment. Edit and run human-readable docs while describing the data analysis. This is what we will use on our coding. So just click Launch, and it will direct you to another tab since this is a web-based. So if we are going to have our new project, just click here, New, then Python 3, of course. And that's it. Now, this will now be our new project. Let's try to have this Python tutorial. So, we are currently renaming the Python. So, Python tutorial. Okay, so since we are now in the Jupyter Notebook, this is where our coding will be done. So, let's try to print basic. So, basic code. Print hello world. Wow. The most basic printing. So, print hello world, then run. Just click this run, and it will give you an output of hello world. So, basically, this is where we're going to have the rest of our tutorial on our Jupyter Notebook. And we're currently, this is actually a part of the Python environment, and we have actually installed the Python, the Anaconda, and of course, the Jupyter Notebook. Now, for other modules, libraries, and packages that we will be using, I will just have a different set of tutorial when we are currently on that specific stage of our journey towards our coding on applied to the algorithmic trading world. Alright, so I hope you learned something from this video tutorial, just a short video, my friends. And if you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more related contents. Again, this is the Engineer Trader. Keep safe always. May our trades be great. Bye-bye.